the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.